Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To play an entire 3D Maps tour in full screen mode, directly click the Play Tour button in the Tour button group on the Home tab of the ribbon in the 3D Maps window. Alternatively, to play the tour from a selected scene, click to select the desired starting scene in the Tour Editor pane. Then click the drop-down part of the Play Tour button in the Tour button group on the Home tab of the ribbon in the 3D Maps window. Then select the Play Tour from Current Scene command. The tour then plays in its full screen view. At the bottom of the view is a thin toolbar that you can use to control the playback. You can click the Go Back to Edit View button at the toolbar's left end to return to the editing view at any time. You can click the Pause the Tour or Play the Tour toggle button in the middle of the toolbar to both pause and resume playback of the tour. If you have multiple scenes in a tour, you can click the Go to the Previous Scene and Go to the Next Scene buttons to jump to the previous or next scenes in the tour. To toggle whether or not to play the tour in a continuous loop, click the Play the Time Animation in a Continuous Loop or Turn Repeat Off toggle button. At the far right end of the toolbar, you can click the ellipsis mark button to toggle automatic data refreshing on or off by clicking the choice in the pop-up menu that appears. When turned on, it refreshes the data automatically every 10 minutes when the tour is set to repeat in a loop. When the tour playback is paused, you can also click and drag the globe map to rotate it. You can also click to select data points and hover over them to display their associated data cards, just as you can in the Edit view. Also, like the Edit view, you can click and drag the on-screen overlays to move them. You can also click and drag the small white circles in the upper left and lower right corners of the overlays to temporarily resize them. However, unlike when in Edit mode, these changes are lost the next time you play the tour.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.